how we can link to other HTML documents. So let's delete this font right here. Well, let's just delete these other paragraph tags. And hit some line breaks, which is the less than sign, BR. We'll just use several of those, and click the link here. On Jerry the cat. Click here for more information on Tom the cat, Jerry the mouse. Alright. So what we're going to do is we are going to surround this with what's called a link. How we do this is less than sign ref equal, and then we're going to say tom.html in that, and then let's say this click here, we'll put the closing less than and then put a closing a, so that the words click here, the words between these tag and this tag are actually going to form our link. So we're going to click, and then we're going to put Jerry.html, and we're going to also surround this click here with that closing tag. We're going to save that, and then we're going to refresh it, and you see how this is actually a link. We'll be going to the next page by doing this. So how we do this is we actually open another Notepad document and save it over here. Let's just copy and paste so that we have the same color background and the same color font. And what we're going to do is delete this, click, and then we're going to change this click here, and we're going to say to go back to main page. And then what we're going to save it as, is index.html. I'm going to save this in the same place where all my other lessons were. Where all my other HTML documents were, and save and call it what we had in this link right here, which is tom.html. So we're going to call it tom.html. Save. Copy, new, by hitting Control-N, Control-V to paste, Control-S to save, and we're going to name it Jerry.html. Save. What we're also going to do is get some pictures of Tom and Jerry, which will be included on the next lesson. And what we're going to do is open Jerry, and instead of this background, we're just going to put Jerry. Oh dear, you see this? We're actually heading out our that's why we didn't see our header. So we're just going to put Jerry the mouse. And make sure we spell Jerry, not Airy. Jerry. This page will contain more information about Jerry the mouse. from Tom and Jerry, the cartoon show. Smiley face. Now we're gonna open up by hitting Control O. Make sure you have all files, or else it won't register the fact that that the Notepad document can't open Chrome or our web design files. We're gonna open Tom and have tom.jpg, Jerry, Tom the cat. I think it's very clever that they call him Tom because he's a Tom cat. Ah! And what we're going to do about what is his name? Tom the cat from the show Tom and Jerry. Alright. Let's go ahead and reload this. Woo. And what we're going to do is, since we've reloaded it, click. We have Tom the cat. This page will contain more information from that, and then we have a picture of Tom. And then we go hit click Jerry the mouse. And actually, we should probably open up inside our index and make sure we have this color by going inside the bracket, hitting style, color, and then putting lime again, because it's easier to know those colors and to actually just go through and get the hexadecimal chart out. Sometimes it's just easier, especially if we're just doing some really basic stuff. Alright, so just to go over our lessons, today we created our document and made it all different colors by using these styles attributes. So style equals, and then background color, colon, black. This H1, style equal color, colon, lime. And then in between these brackets displays the text Tom and Jerry, and on the inside of it is the H1 tags. It shows where it ends. I'll show you guys something different with the H1 tags. If I name this H2, the header will actually be smaller. So if I hit Tom the cat, you see how that's smaller than this? That's because H1 tag, the header tags decrease in value as the number gets larger. So H3 tag is actually smaller than the H2 tag and the H1 tag, and so on. Okay, then inside of our paragraph, I changed the color of that to be magenta by using the style. Put some line breaks by using the break line. And then I used links to link to new documents. Now, this href equals tom.html must equal exactly what you have typed here. So if you have this saved as .htm and you write .html, your document won't work. Here, now that I have it set to .htm, my file won't actually load. Oh well, there it is. So because it's looking for .htm. If I go back and put in that needed L, save it, refresh it, it's back to working order. And that's how that ends up working. And then our folders, and then on image, which is image source equals where the file actually lays, by using the folder system and making sure you have // for those folders. And that's all we really did in today's lesson. In the next lesson, we're going to be going over text formatting, which is more colors and using Google fonts to change our font type, superscript and subscript, text blinking, and also adding comments. That's what we'll be doing in the next lesson.